The Nokia N95 Pro 5G 2026 concept represents a bold leap into true flagship territory for Nokia, taking the spirit of its iconic name into the modern era with top-tier performance and premium features. Expected to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite or equivalent high-end chipset, this device promises ultra-fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and AI-driven tasks, while full 5G support ensures blazing fast connectivity across global networks. Rumored specs include a massive 8,500 mAh battery with ultra-fast charging, meaning all-day use, and quick top UPS that minimize downtime. Photography could be a highlight with a 300 MP primary camera sensor, backed by advanced imaging technology to capture incredibly detailed photos and 8K video, making it a serious contender against other flagship shooters. The large AMOLED display with high refresh rate will offer vibrant visuals and smooth interactions, ideal for media consumption and productivity alike. With modern connectivity like Wi-Fi 6E, NFC, stereo speakers, and a sleek build, the Nokia N95 Pro 5G blends nostalgic branding with cutting-edge hardware, signaling Nokia's intent to compete head-on with the top smartphones of 2026.